Welcome to our channel, AI Academy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment below. Welcome to the AI Marathon Challenge 2025. In the next few minutes, we're diving into 20 mind-blowing AI tools you must try this year. Ready to supercharge your creativity, productivity, and your life? Let's go. Learn these 20 AI tools in less than 5 minutes. Part 1. Tools 1 to 5. Number 1. Leonardo 2.0. AI art at its finest. Hyper-realistic creations faster than ever. Goodbye blank canvas, hello imagination. Number 2, Suno AI, where anyone becomes a music producer. Write a prompt and bam, viral hits created in minutes. Number 3, Meet Vizard AI, effortless video editing with just a few clicks. Hollywood, watch out. Number 4, Durable AI, launch your dream website in under 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. Number 5, 11 Labs 2.0, ultra-realistic voices, new languages, endless possibilities. Now you can talk to the world, literally. 5 amazing tools down, and trust me, you haven't seen anything yet. Let's keep pushing forward. Part 2, Tools 6 to 15th. Tool number 6, create stunning presentations instantly with Gamma app. No slides, no problem. Tool number 7, make your AI avatar talk in any language with HeyGen, mind blown. Tool number 8, imagine music, see it play. Refusion turns images into soundscapes, insane creativity. Tool number 9, animate anything with Pika Labs, dreams, turn them into motion. Tool number 10, sketch something silly, watch Scribble Diffusion turn it into a masterpiece. Tool number 11, Runway Gen 3, type a sentence, get a movie, literal magic. Tool number 12, get your own custom AI avatars with Astria, be your best digital self. Tool number 13, ChatGPT 5. Beta, smarter, faster, more powerful, the co-pilot for your ideas. Tool number 14, Meet Codium AI, code smarter, not harder. Tool number 15, slice your long videos into viral shorts with Opus Clip 2.0, instant YouTube success. Part 3, Tools 16 to 20. Tool number 16, turn selfies into talking videos with DID 2.0, instant explainer videos. Tool number 17, draw like a pro even if you can't draw a stick figure, thanks to AutoDraw. Tool number 18, write 10x faster and smarter with Compose AI, save hours every week. Tool number 19, ever wanted your dreams visualized? Dream Machine brings dream worlds to life. Tool number 20, make stunning AI-powered music videos with Kyber AI, Rockstar mode activated. That's it, legends. 20 mind-blowing AI tools you must master in 2025. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and join the AI revolution with us. Thank you for watching the AI Academy. See you next time.